Welcome. In front of me is a POCO X3 GT, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, hold your power button and select power off. And when the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. I think I held the power button for a little bit too long, so let's try it again. So once you see the POCO logo, let go of the power button, keep holding volume up. And as you can see, this takes us to the recovery mode. Now in here you will need to utilize your volume buttons to navigate up or down. And power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now with that in mind, we can reboot the device from here, wipe data, connect with Mi Assistant, or boot the device into safe mode. Now under wipe data we only have factory reset and nothing else. So I'm gonna stick with the first option, confirm it, reboot to system, and like I said, this will just take me back to Android. And we are now back. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.